The Tripura Guerrilla Returnees Demand Committee has announced an indefinite blockade of the Assam-Agartala National Highway and crucial railway network starting June 5, 2026. The extreme step comes as a protest against the state government's alleged failure to honor rehabilitation promises.
Addressing a press conference on Saturday, the committee's leadership expressed deep frustration over prolonged administrative inaction. The leaders revealed that they had initially scheduled a massive road blockade for February 20, 2026. However, the movement was temporarily suspended after State Minister Bikash Barma intervened, offering explicit assurance that their long-pending grievances would be addressed swiftly. According to the committee, not a single promise has been fulfilled by the minister or the administration since then, forcing them back on the path of agitation. The returned insurgents, who laid down their arms to reintegrate into mainstream civilian life, are pressing for a strict 5-point charter of demands.
Kaisa cabinet, kaisa bo bini bo puso tongka, bo jagawa tong bo saise mayako. Ang mokau saka baikong nai omokau saka ang bayang nai bo saise mayako. Abon bagai tabuk chung tini jora la singe tini jora porjonto kuno chuno bo ko reply dia. Mungsa pono chung sawo 29 tar ni bisingo chuno nrauni boni chamber wo line department bai chuno meeting achudi. Meeting arrange khadi. Jodi meeting arrange kain khe chung bo kaisa prostuti nanai. Tabuk chung andolon prostuti nanai. Bainke tini jora kuno chini oro kuno reply phaya abon bagai chung bai bo 5 तारिख तब उनके 5 तारिख 20 कनी तब जून 5 तारिख जून वो चुंग तब विराट आंदोलन तय कैसा प्रस्तुत नालेखा आहिसी तब बगे सुनो 29 तारिख तो डेडलाइन लाई थंगा तब उनके चुंग 5 तारिख ओके चुंग तय रेहाई खया चुंग बुथिगे थुनाय थंगा थांनाय आमते हाइसे.
By targeting both the Assam-Agartala National Highway and the state's rail lifeline simultaneously, the indefinite strike threatens to completely sever Tripura's surface connectivity with the rest of the country from June 5 unless the state administration initiates emergency talks. Reporter by Pranav from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.